Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful bouncy colorful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm super excited. I'm so happy to share this video with you guys. I want to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. I absolutely love this wig, like seriously, like you know that recently I just want to be trying new things, like trying new colors, but something else I love about this wig apart from the color is the bouncy coils. Like it's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love the bouncy coils, and it looks kind of full when you just comb it out more, comb out the coils. Even if you comb it still goes back to the bounce, which is absolutely amazing. But if you like the color and you don't like the bounce, the coils, you can definitely straighten the wig. It's a very good quality hair. You can straighten it if you want, at least to change the style, or maybe you wash it and straighten it if you don't want the bouncy coils, because I can imagine when it's straight it's going to look absolutely beautiful as well. But I absolutely love this bouncy coils. If you're wondering, this wig is from Ali Grace Hair Company. I'm going to put all the links and hair specs and everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by showing you guys the package. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come my videos. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come my videos. So this is what the wig looks like straight from the box. As you guys can see, the coils are popping, they're like bouncing. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, yeah. Oh, Lord, make you slow down. So before putting on the wig, I'm gonna first of all apply my foundation on the lace part. As you guys can see, it's like just a normal closure part. So I'll apply my foundation on it to give it a more real, like natural look. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. You are murder me. You are murder, 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 murder me. Give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. So right here, I'm just gonna cut out the spare lace. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come my videos. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come my videos. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder, 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 murder me. So here I'm just working on the pattern a little bit. Just try to make it clearer. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, I say. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come my videos. I'm feeling all this, she already know this.
She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me.
So yeah, I'll be applying my glue, just my got-to-be glue gel, just a little bit of it, and then apply this freeze spray as well. Then attach the wig.
Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you wind, I want you to be my so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only soul.
And then I'm gonna apply my concealer on the pattern to give it a more natural look.
So make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh.
Now I'll be applying my heat protectant oil because I'm going to comb the hair with my hot comb. So it's just a little bit of heat protectant oil.
Give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me.
So now I'm just combing the top, especially the top part of the wig with my hot comb because I want the pattern area to lay really flat.
Baby, oh, yeah. Vicky, bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know.
So right here I noticed that I can actually brush it and then wrap the coils like this. You can actually wear it like this if you want. As you guys can see, I'm able to wrap the coils and it looks very, very lovely.
You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother.
So right here I'm gonna unravel the coils and just comb it because I love the full coil effect more.
So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man.
And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.